Thank you so much for 3D Pioneer Challenge and all the organizations that support my winning of FashionTech and student project this year. I won the MakerbotReplicator Plus, so I can really extend my horizons this year to make new projects, and really I'm looking forward for what's next I can make with this printer. I also got the 3D printing handbook and the computational design book that I can research more about the subject of additive manufacturing, and really it's really inspiring me, the other project and the organization that supports young talents and really pushing the boundaries of 3D printing.